What is a biosimilar medicine, and how are these medications developed? Developed to offer patients additional treatment options, biosimilars are highly similar medications that show no clinically meaningful differences in terms of the safety, purity, and potency between themselves and a licensed referenced biologic. They're designed to have a fingerprint-like similarity to existing branded biologics. But what is the difference between a biosimilar and a generic? Generics and biosimilars offer alternatives to brand-name drugs. Generics are chemically synthesized and identical to the original drug. However, biosimilars and biologics are synthesized from living organisms or their products, especially a human or animal protein. And biosimilars are required to undergo a different application process with the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, the FDA, than generics. How is a biosimilar developed? Developing biosimilars can be a long and challenging process. Research and development for biosimilars averages about 10 years. The first step in biosimilar development is extensive research and analysis to create stable molecular structures that demonstrate similarity to a given biologic reference agent. If proven highly similar in analytical testing, researchers submit a development plan to the FDA for approval to begin clinical studies. From conception to approval, the entire process can take 8 to 10 years. Clinical studies are then conducted to determine biosimilarity and show no clinically meaningful differences in safety and potency. Once the studies are complete, biosimilars are reviewed by the FDA through a rigorous process. The FDA decides which biosimilars to approve for physicians to prescribe to patients. After FDA approval, there are more hurdles before a biosimilar can be prescribed. The journey to an approval is a massive team effort by patients, advocacy groups, scientists, healthcare professionals, and pharmaceutical companies. But once it becomes available, a biosimilar gives patients and their healthcare professionals the opportunity to make choices.